Hello everyone, welcome back to Cook with Love. Our today's recipe is Gulab Phirni. When I was carrying my baby, I had this strong craving for Phirni. But since we were not allowed outside food, I tried it at home and it came out really well. So here it is for you all. For making Phirni, we need 1/4 cup of rice, 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, few strands of saffron, 2 teaspoons of rose water, alternatively you can also take kevra essence, 500 ml of milk. Soak rice in water for 1 to 2 hours. I have taken basmati tukda for it. Let it air dry for 1 hour. Now take rice and grind it to a coarse powder. Don't make it too fine. Now heat milk in a pan. While the milk is getting boiled, prepare a separate mixture of rice powder with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Add this mixture to the boiling milk and keep stirring well so that no lumps are formed. Let the milk get boiled for another 15-20 minutes. Once it has become a bit thick, add jaggery powder. Now add rose water. Mix it well. Now it is ready to be served, but before that, garnish it with saffron and rose petals.